wanted to make a quick video about our wamap page, but before we go into our winter 2017 Math 142, I want you to make a couple of changes in your settings. So go ahead and hit your link to your name and the user profile shows up. I want you to click this box right here, which will send you an email whenever I send a message to you on wamap. And then the other thing I'd like you to do is go ahead and put a picture here. If you browse, I have this set up so I can put my picture here. This is me, by the way, with my old name. And I hit update info. Then if I refresh the page, you can see I now have a picture here. And that's nice for the class because we can see you when you send messages or post forums. It just helps make it a little bit more personal. A couple other things: when you log on, you can see these red messages. I have one message as a student and I have two posts. This is me as a student because the student page is a little bit different than the instructor page. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into the class. And a couple things I want to show you here. Notice you also have red little notifications that there's a message. So let's see what that looks like. Here's my message I sent to myself for the video. I love trigonometry. That's great. You can always delete them if you want. But whatever I do send you as a message, you are responsible for remembering. So it might be best to not delete it. It'll always be there. And of course, there's some forums. Notice there's two new posts on the forums. Those will show up quite a lot when somebody posts a question, or these are the introduce yourself. There's some directions for introducing yourself that I have that I want you to read. And there's the actual introduction I have for myself as the instructor. Okay, back to this main page. There's two ways you can get to your assignments. I like the calendar as a quick way of getting there. Notice that there's some things due. Student information due. Let's look at Wednesday the 4th. There's a lot of things due on the 4th. As soon as you hit a day, you can see the different things that are due that day. As I hit every day, there's different things. And all you've got to do is go ahead and click this link. Let's say Intro to wamap. And the assignment shows up. So that's one way of doing it. The other is to go down and look at all the different weeks. Open up the week and you can see all the different things that are needed to do. So let's talk real quick about assignments. There are two main types of assignments you're going to need to do. Let's look at Thursday the 5th. Notice there's a video assignment and there's a homework assignment. The video assignments, when you open them up, you're going to need to be watching videos and then answering questions. So you watch your videos.
Welcome to a quick tutorial on the Pythagorean.
And then there's questions to answer. If you look, there's video, question, etc. So those are your lectures. And I ask questions for two reasons. One, to make sure that you're watching these, and two, to have you make sure you're understanding them. So that's a video assignment. Then there's just plain old homework. If you hit this homework, section 5.1, that's due on Thursday, you can see you have 12 questions. You just go through and answer them, and you can skip around. So that's it for the quick introduction. I'll show you more later as things become relevant.